everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Progressive Insurance account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Open up your web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in www.progressive.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the main homepage of Progressive, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login link. You'll end up in the login area on the next page. In the user ID text field, type in your user ID associated with your Progressive Insurance account. Make sure to type it in correct. Head over to the password field and type in your password correct as well. You can double check before moving on by clicking on the show link at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. Now, if you'd like the user ID to be saved by the particular device, click on the save user ID box so that you won't have to type it in again and again next time. But if you are using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave this box unchecked. In case you've forgotten your login details and you need help, you can click on a Need Help Login In link beneath the Login button and follow the on-screen prompts. If you've not registered yourself yet for Progressive Insurance, you can click on this register link at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts to register yourself. Finally, after you are done typing in your credential and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button in blue, and that is how you should be able to log into your Progressive Insurance account, manage your policy online, pay your bills, report or track a claim, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.